shaken then, I'm going to introduce you at the end of the gig to the members of the band. On the double bass, to stage right, ladies and gentlemen, one of the legends of Australian rock and roll in this country. He started way back with Johnny O'Keefe all those years ago. He's had #1 records. He's named #2 on the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame over there in Parks. He's had lots of celebrity women, but you can talk to him about that afterwards. Of course, the man that I'm talking about is Mr. Doug